All right, so here is a little bit extra help on the data analysis. This one is from the week one questions where we had the amount of information that was able to be shared. You can see that the graph that it shows you is moving upwards to the right, and you can see that you've got two vertices that shows you years and the amount created. So what you see is an increase over time. Um, you want to get that idea that that's the common idea that you want to know. And here are the questions. Which statement best summarizes the information presented in the graph? Far more people around the world own computers, cell phones did today than 2005. That's not what the graph is showing. The number of people sharing digital information has more than tripled since 2005. More than tripled since 2005. And this was a 2011 graph. Okay. So tripled since 2005. Maybe um, we would keep that one. Sorry, I'm just going to flash through this to kind of show you. All right, the volume of digital information created and shared has increased tremendously in recent years. Absolutely 100% true. The amount of digital information created and shared is likely to be almost 8 zettabytes by 2015. First of all, okay, maybe, but look at what the question asks. The question says, which statement best summarizes the information presented in the graph? So the summary is the overall view of what the graph's about, and C is the best choice. Okay, 19, according to the graph, which statement is true about the amount of digital information projected to be created, shared globally? So this is asking you specifically what's the little information that you can find from the graph. When we talked about the reading, we talked about big picture questions and little picture questions. First one is a big picture question. What is the overall information in the graph? 19 is about a specific data point. So, according to the graph, which statement is true about the amount of digital information projected to be created and shared globally in 2012? So here is 2012. Here's what the answer choices are. Growth in digital information creation projected to be wildly out of proportion to growth in 2011, 2013. Wildly out of proportion would mean that the graph would not be smooth, so not going to work. The amount of digital information created and shared was projected to begin a new upward trend. The amount of digital information created and shared was projected to peak. Not so much. The amount of digital information the amount of digital information created and shared was projected to pass 2 zettabytes for the first time. So that is definitely something that's indicated by this graph. So while the others could possibly be something that you could digital information projected to begin an upward trend, that's possible. But the one that you can back up with the graph, according to the graph, is D. And that's what they're trying to do. They're trying to get you to focus in on specific things that are indicated by the graph.